In today's fast-paced world, the importance of artificial intelligence cannot be overstated. It's reshaping industries, revolutionizing technology, and transforming the way we live. But why is AI so important now? Enter ChatGPT and generative AI, the cutting-edge technologies that are pushing the boundaries of human creativity and problem-solving. Generative AI, a remarkable aspect of this technology, focuses on creating new content. Imagine being capable of generating stunning visuals, composing music, or even writing stories. The possibilities are endless. ChatGPT, powered by OpenAI, is an example of generative AI which comes with an advanced language model that's designed to engage in conversations and provide human-like responses. It's like having your own AI companion, ready to assist you with tasks, answer questions, and even engage in meaningful discussions. With ChatGPT and generative AI, you can experience the true power of this technology. ChatGPT allows you to draft emails, write code, and explore new realms of creativity. Imagine effortlessly generating unique designs, captivating artwork, or thought-provoking. And it doesn't stop there. AI is making a significant impact across various industries. From healthcare to finance, from customer service to content creation, AI is driving efficiency, streamlining processes, and enabling us to accomplish more. Now, you may be wondering why organizations are willing to pay top salaries, as high as $300,000 per year, for new skills like prompt engineers. The demand for AI experts is surging. Businesses understand the immense value that AI brings to their operations. AI can automate tasks, uncover valuable insights from data, and unlock new avenues of growth. With such potential, companies are eager to invest in AI talent to stay ahead of the competition. Isn't it the perfect time to expand your knowledge and dive into the world of AI? This is where our ChatGPT training comes in. Our introductory course lets you gain exposure to the wonders of ChatGPT and generative AI. You'll learn the fundamentals, understand the practical applications, and discover how these technologies can amplify your skills and productivity. Don't miss out on this exciting opportunity. Join us for our upcoming training session and unleash your potential in the world of AI. Register now and secure your spot to find out more. Come and listen from our top AI veterans and hear them share about this exciting technology as we embark on the journey together.